I'm here with Laura and Michelle, and they are both directors at BayPack. So, girls, can you tell us about BayPack and the childcare services that you provide?
Yeah, we're a not-for-profit childcare organisation. So we do full wraparound. So that includes breakfast club, nursery wraparound, after school club, and holiday club. And that's for children aged 3 to 11 years. And throughout the holidays, then we do like trips and event days just to get the children more involved. We talk to the children, the parents, see what they want to do. Yeah, that's us in a nutshell.
Yeah, we just support the community, really.
Amazing. So, what challenges or priorities did you have before receiving support through Clybiau Cymru Kids Club?
So I think we originally reached out to yourself because we wanted to improve our financial planning and see if there were any areas of the business which weren't making a profit, which we could remove or change and amend our business model. So that was the initial thing, I think, wasn't it? And then, of course, we spoke to you about doing the safeguarding and anti-racism toolkits, which we did for those.
Yeah, so for me, it was the Welsh Promise. Obviously, being on site, it introduced me to like to do and what I needed to teach the children and support them with their Welsh language.
Amazing. So, you've already mentioned about the safeguarding health check. So, how did the safeguarding health check support your development of your policies and procedures?
So we used it as a tool of reflection, I guess, of the practices and the procedures and policies we had already in place. Any findings from that, then we fed down to the team. Our policies were pretty much on point. We use the ones as well from Clybiau, so we find that really useful. It's more so we wanted to use it for day-to-day practice and making sure we're just following everything we wanted to do. But we did find that really useful. We also included it in our quality of care review for CIW.
Amazing. Fab. So we also did some marketing support with you in regards to like the marketing needs analysis. Do you feel like through doing that has had an impact on how you market your club now going forward?
Yeah, definitely. So Michelle handles that mostly now, and it's more so social media.
Yeah, so I spend hours on social media promoting us and sharing the things that we do and trying to show that it's not just for profit. Like it's not a profit setting. We can do nice things that
Yeah, showcasing what we actually do and it's reaching those different audiences. So we'll go on groups like Penarth Parents, things like that. So we'll post different things on there. And it's basically how we reach that wider
the wider community, because social media is like the way forward now, isn't it? It's getting to those outreach places where maybe you wouldn't get before by just going into schools and like within the local community, isn't it?
Yeah.
Amazing. So obviously we did the financial forecast with you guys. Do you feel like from doing that and it strengthened your future sustainability? So was you able to identify any areas that you could work on moving forward?
Yeah, definitely. So we used the template that you sent over as a guide, and then we just tweaked it a little bit to meet what we do.
Yeah.
And that's really useful. I'm still using that now. Using it to compare previous years, financial years, and then do a forecast then going forward. So we're focusing on more like a 3-year plan and then a longer term plan, and we've got a shorter term plan which we're coming out of now. So that was really useful, and I think talking to you as well helped us realise what sessions weren't making a profit, we're actually making a loss on, and by highlighting those we're able to break it all down a bit better. We've amended what we offer so that we can remain sustainable.
Amazing. So looking back after all the support that we've given you over probably like the last year or so, what's been the biggest benefit that you've received from us?
I think it's having that face-to-face interaction. So there's so much information out there, and I think what Clybiau offers is like you coming out, and we've had Megan coming out.
Yeah, I agree.
It's having that, it's that personal aspect of it. So then if we had an issue, I knew we could come to you, and there's bound to be another club that's gone through the same thing, and you can share how they overcome it and what can we do maybe to help us solve our issues. And it is that community feel as well. So knowing that there are other clubs who may be experiencing the same different things that we're going through, that's what it's given us, I think, of what I found over the last year.
Amazing. Fab. Thank you so much, guys.